Welcome to another edition of Ideoli'S Responsiveness Stories, where we explain how we go above and beyond for our clients. We recently finished an intense round of manufacturing for a number of clients needing products before the holiday season. This meant that we had multiple production runs across multiple factories in several different countries all at the same time. With several high-profile clients and large orders in progress, George and Chris made it a point to oversee the production of these quality fixture, lighting, and furnishing products. For a period of 2 months, George and Chris were alternating trips to Asia on a weekly basis. Yes, you heard me correctly. Every week they would take turns flying to Asia to work with the team at the production facilities. Although Ideoli had a solid team and manufacturing foundation, the boys wanted to make sure everything was on track, per specification, and perfectly packed before getting to the clients' locations across the United States, Europe, and the Middle East. Racking up impressive air miles, George and Chris were able to meet the intense deadlines of their clients and distribution partners, doing what it takes to keep them satisfied and to grow our business. Another example of how we do things differently.